Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how to make Windows 10 bootable flash drive for install operating system to PC. For installing Windows 10 you have to use bootable flash drive. Firstly, I will show using media creation tool from Microsoft. Second way is using software which can be used to formatting and create bootable USB flash drives. Now I must download Windows Media Creation tool. Click link which I placed in description. So click to download tool now. By the way, in here I have both option updating and downloading. If you are click update, you are merely can change Windows version without clearing your hard disk. But this is not this video's topic, and click to download. Almost done. Please license terms and click accept. If you want to upgrade your PC, click first, but now I am going to create a bootable flash drive. That's why I am choose the second option and click next. I'll click the option and choose which language you want, and edition and architecture choose for your system or both of them, and click next. Also you can create DVD, bootable DVD. If you prefer, click second. Now I am inserted flash drive, and you must know your flash drive must be at least 8 GB. Click next. Choose the flash drive name. After the progress completing, your bootable flash drive will be ready. Yeah, installing finish it, click finish. Wait a few minutes. Wait for a second. Flash drive is ready. Click finish. Wait for a second, and as you see, flash drive contains Windows files. Completely is ready for installing. So now I will show you how to create bootable flash drive with the helping of Rufus application, and click the link which I located in description, rufus.ie, and scroll down and click the download. Click the Rufus 3.17. Select the which USB you want to be bootable, and select third option, and select from here image file. Write which name you want to be add, and click to start. Okay. So yeah, I make a bootable flash drive with the second way successfully. Both of ways I advise to you is reliable. If you have any question, write in comments please. Thank you for watching, subscribe and like please. Best regards.